Question number 17. A builder holding a brick of mass 3000 grams, 3 kg, drops the brick on his foot. Okay, so there is a builder who is standing here, is holding a brick over here, and it falls onto his foot over here. Falls onto his foot. What is the reasonable estimate of the change in the GPE of the brick? Okay, so therefore, now what could be the height from his feet to his hand? Maybe around 1 meter. It can be more than that, right? So it's an estimate problem. In an estimate problem, remember, you are always free to reason based on your observations or based on your assumptions. Okay, so therefore height is known. What is the mass of this? Is 3 kg. So find out what is the potential energy. Potential energy here should be 3g into h, which should be 3 into 10 into h. What is h? h is 1 meter, which should be around 30 joules. Okay, gravity change in gravitational potential energy is asking. You can say here it is 0, here it is 30 joules. So therefore total gravity change in gravitational potential is 30 joules. Which is the answer? Answer A is the right answer.